If you know say you be Igbo or you be Yoruba, even though you are Yoruba Muslim, you people should leave the north now. These bandits, or what you call them terrorists, they are already planning, and all their Serikis, the Sultan of Sokoto, the Emir of Kano, Kaduna, anywhere, they've all planned together that once America starts killing these bandits, they want to start killing Igbo and Yoruba. They want to turn it into a civil war so that America can back off.
This is the matter of life and death. This is the matter of life and death, and this particular video is for all the Igbo youth and the Yoruba people living in the northern part of Nigeria. A lot of things is about to happen, and if you come across this particular video, be it an Igbo man or an Yoruba man, share this particular video widely so that other people can be able to get to watch this particular video, because it is very, very important. The Fulani people, the Fulani people are planning a lot to do to Igbo people living in northern part of Nigeria. So please, my fellow Biafrans, share this video widely so that our fellow Biafrans can be able to, get to watch this particular video, because it is going to save a lot of lives and property. Thank you as we continue to watch this video. Share this video so that even if your brother or your sisters are not living in northern part of Nigeria, other people that their brothers are living there or their sisters are living there can be able to watch this particular video. Thank you, and may God continue to bless you. This is the matter of life and death. Please, my fellow Biafrans, share this video.
If you know say you be Igbo or you be Yoruba, even though you are Yoruba Muslim, you people should leave the north now. These bandits, or what you call them terrorists, they are already planning, and all their Serikis, the Sultan of Sokoto, the Emir of Kano, Kaduna, anywhere, they've all planned together that once America starts killing these bandits, they want to start killing Igbo and Yoruba. They want to turn it into a civil war so that America can back off. Everybody, pass this message around, though. Pass this message around. I'm telling you again, though. They have planned to kill Igbo and Yoruba Muslim in the north. All these northerners are the same. They are not different. Every Igbo man does not have business to be in the north now. America is already in Nigeria. They want to take the revenge or turn the matter to a civil war that is no longer genocide or is no longer Christian. Now they are killing Nigerians to Nigerians. If you know that you are Igbo man, leave the north now. If you know you are Igbo, pass this message to your fellow Igbos that are in the north. Bring your children home before they start blocking the road and killing you. Remember, it happened in 1964, 1965, 1966, 1967. They want to turn this into a civil war. If you know that you are Igbo, leave the north, or the north is not safe for Igbo. Share this message, let's save some life. Igbo people should leave the north, or don't have business in the north now. Oh.
They attacked Udogachi men yesterday. They shot 2 people. The Udogachi men, they shot 2 people at Osumo yesterday. This thing is as a result of the video they made last week, when they were warning all the people that are disturbing the people at Osumo in Anambra State there. They made a video telling all the Onongo men that is around that area to vacate the area, to leave the area so that people will start living in peace again. That they are fully there now to start operations, this, that. After making that video, we have not heard that Udogachi people attacked or rescued people or even shot any of these Onongo men. Now, they were the first people to be attacked, and they shot 2 people among the Udogachi men. I don't know why the security agencies, some of these security agencies, are making videos in a vital issue, in a very big sensitive issue that they're supposed to tackle on their own diligently. They are making videos, every time. Now, you when one attack person, they don't first attack you. I don't know, video every time, video warning every time, unpako every time. All the charm we wanna put for body, that day we wanna they make that video. Now, both una and that charm now, they don't bring una down. Una never even strike. Go, upon all the preparation, all the talking and everything, una never even strike for bush. So, okay, we don't shot 5 of them. We don't rescue this, we don't rescue that, we don't bust their camp. Una never do any of this thing. Now they don't first attack una because of that because of that too much talk, because of say una lack security, una lack the capacity. I don't know. You people lack the capacity, the sense to do this very security diligently, very well, in a matured way. Now they don't attack una. Other people should learn. Security issue is a sensitive issue that should be secretive. Not be everything that they carry them, they enter social media up and down. The enemy will now know your plan and strike first. No.
One way or the other, when we talk, they say we are tribalistic. One way or the other, they will talk, they gaslight us. The fact is that, am I here to discourage unity between the Igbos and the rest of the tribes in Nigeria at this time? Yes, that is my plan. That is my mission. Am I being paid to do it? No, of course. Nobody paid me. I'm doing it on my own. Now, why am I doing it? I'm doing it because the unity is fake. It's a sham fake unity, because the unity is always in demand, always comes when you people need help, when you people are in trouble. But when we are in trouble, nobody wants unity. Yes. And when we try to complain of the way we are being treated, you people will try to discard our feelings. You try to shut us up by telling us that we are playing the victim card. This is an evidence.
See, this is the problem, victim mentality of an average Igbo man. If you can't stop playing the victim all the time, Igbo people will not move forward in Nigeria.
We are playing the victim card. Are we not the victim? Over 250 tribes against only the Igbos. With over 10 countries, including the USSR, as powerful as Russia is, and the fiendish Egyptian pilots dropped bombs in our land over a coup that we did not do. Over a coup that we did not do. There are two evidences proving now that Igbo people weren't actually the plotters of those coups. One is the IBB book launch. The second is this.
After going through some of the, accounts by some of them who participated seriously, especially in Lagos and other things, we came to understand the former governor of Western Nigeria, late Adekunle Fajuyi, was their mentor, was their leader, but nobody knew because those people were not tried. If they had been tried by Rossi, court martial, during the interrogation and so on, that so many fans would have come, but he refused to try those people. He allowed them to remain inside the prison.
That is the second evidence that it was even a Yoruba man that planned the coup. But this coup cost us over 6 million of our people and still costing us life till today. And now, after losing millions of our people in the bloody genocide, look at what Gowon is coming out to tell us, that he has malaria. He has malaria. That is why he mistakenly agreed to the Aburi Accord. Your malaria cost us millions of our people. You people want to gaslight us into moving on. You people want to gaslight us into a fake sham unity. You people want to gaslight us. When we talk, you say we are tribalistic. You want us to move on. You want us to forgive. What reparations have been made? What compensations have been paid to our people? What apology have been tendered to us? What steps have you guys taken to foster a true reconciliation if you really want unity? Or you just want to gaslight us into moving on? I'm telling you today that I'm here to make our people understand their words, because our people don't know their words. A coup that we didn't plan cost us millions and millions of our lives. And 6 decades later, we have been vindicated. But yet, a man, Nnamdi Kanu, is in jail as a result of that lie that we did a coup. Because it was that coup that brought about the Biafran war. And it's that Biafran issue. That is why Nnamdi Kanu is in jail. So one way or the other, that lie that we did a coup is the reason why Nnamdi Kanu is in jail. Now we have been vindicated that we are not the one that did that coup. The first step should be taking Nnamdi Kanu out of jail. But he is still in jail, and some people want us to move on. You don't treat a wound by covering it. You treat a wound by attending to a wound. If I have a cut in my hand and I just cover it and hide it with my cloth, it will continue to eat deep until it's been infected and might probably cost my life. If I want that wound to go, I will attend to it. What does it need? Why am I injured? Our properties are still outside Igbo land. They call it abandoned properties. Our money that we have in bank before you people gave us 20 pounds. Where's the money? You are going to pay it to us. This is not a call for violence, neither is it a threat. It is a call for the Igbo people to stand down. We will not be part of any violence, or we will not be part of any protest or anything with the rest of the Nigerian states until our needs are met. You can't beat us and ask us not to cry. There are evidence everywhere that we do not cause any coup. Pay our reparations and apologize to our people. It's been hard. One way or the other, when we talk, they say we are tribalistic. One way or the other, they will talk, they gaslight us. Even some of our Igbo people come to my comment section to tell me that division is not the... Was there unity before? When unknown gunmen ravaged our land in the east, you people say we are killing ourselves. These are evidence.
You know, when Nnamdi Kanu was in Igbo land, buying everybody, creating ESN, IPOBs, there nobody could say anything, even all your governors. They all kept quiet. It wasn't our problem. It is your son, an Igbo man, by the name of Nnamdi Kanu.
They said Nnamdi Kanu is killing his own people. Yes. When our people were being massacred by miscreants, they say we are killing our people over the enforcement of Sitatum, and nobody came to our aid. They say we are killing our people. That is Igbo killing Igbo. Now that it is happening outside Igbo land, look at what the VDM is saying.
There's another Muslim in the Muslim that are enemies to everybody. So one of the ways that these people used to defeat us as Nigerians is by creating enmity between Christians and Muslims.
VDM now remembers that no, it is not all the whole Muslim, or it's not all of them that are bad. Even in the Islam, and there are some people that is Islam inside Islam. Look at it. He said that there is Islam inside Islam. Those Islam inside Islam are the people killing the Islams. But when it was our time, you all said Nnamdi Kanu was killing us. It's our people dying. That we are killing ourselves over Biafra. Trying to carry the Igbo people along in anything unity in this country again. It's like testing a girl who is not interested in you. You know when you are testing a girl that is not interested in you, you know that one word answer. That is what you guys are going to be getting. The only time we moved in unity with you people was during the NSAS, and you see how it turned out. It turned out well. At least we made change. But after then, we decided to pull back. What happened to the end bad governance protest? It was a flop. What happened to the bandit and Tinubu must go protest? It was a flop. The reason why is because our people are not participating. I personally called for our people to withdraw. Now we understand our words in this country. This is not a threat to the Nigerian state. This is not a call for violence. It is a call for, if there should be peace, let reparations be made to our people. Let compensations be made. Take a great step, a bold step toward the genuine reconciliation. Because if this reconciliation had been made long ago before now, I won't be here making this video, and then we wouldn't be seeking for Biafra. But it's because we carry a pain in our hearts. Every Igbo man has a pain in their hearts. It is being transferred from generation to generation, from parents to parents. My parents transferred me because they told me the story. And it is paining me deep in my heart. Of course, I will tell my children until reparations are made and a genuine reconciliation is conducted. Do you understand? That is when this whole thing will go. Though we will not forget the dead, millions who died that we may live. We will not forget them. But at least we understand that life happens. But whereby you are trying to gaslight us into a fake sham unity, I just want to announce to you all that I am here to destroy any fake sham unity building within the Igbos and the rest of the tribes in Nigeria because they need our help. Now let me tell you people, the Igbo Ratel members, I'm not commanding you or telling you what to do with your life, but listen and listen good. Remember that if you don't know where you are going, people will take you to where they are going. The Ratel movement is going somewhere. Now ask yourself, is that where you were going initially before you joined? Where were you going first? I'm talking to the Igbos in Ratel movement. Where were you people going first before Very Dark Man came? That place that Ratel movement is going, if that place is where you are going before Very Dark Man come, no problem, keep going. But if it is not, understand that your ancestors is calling you back. You have to trace your footsteps back home. Don't be a fool. What is building now is not unity. It's a fake sham unity meant to gaslight us into some unity nonsense. When it's happening to us, we are the one killing ourselves. But once it is happening outside our land, we need unity. And you people expect the Igbo people to walk on the blood of their ancestors and their dead bodies that fell in the battlefield. We should abandon them and come and be united with you. And I don't really see us finish.